Let's wrap up with Settings, where you customize GripIt to match your preferences. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Settings. Settings are organized into several sections. Let's go through the most important ones. First, Profile. This is where you set up your basic information: your name, email, and most importantly, your mission statement. Your mission is what drives you. It appears on your dashboard daily as a reminder of your purpose. Take time to craft this thoughtfully. You can also set your time zone here. This ensures your calendar and reviews align with your actual schedule. Click Save Profile when you're done. Next, Appearance. This is where you make GripIt visually yours. At the top, choose your theme: light, dark, or system. System automatically matches your computer's theme. Let me select dark mode. Below that, background theme. You have 8 beautiful options: default, ocean blue, pastel pink, energetic yellow, deep burgundy, royal purple, midnight navy, and forest green. Each creates a different mood. Let me select ocean blue. It's calming and helps with focus. The appearance changes immediately. Find what works for you. Some people focus better with calm blues. Others prefer energizing yellows. Notifications section lets you control which alerts you receive. Customize this based on how you work. Some people want reminders for everything. Others prefer minimal interruptions. Productivity settings are important. Here, you can enable or disable focus sounds, the ambient sounds during focus sessions. You can also set your default focus duration. If you always prefer 25-minute sessions, set it here so you don't have to choose every time. Most importantly, weekly review day. By default, it's Sunday, but maybe you prefer Friday evening to review your week and plan ahead, or Monday morning to start fresh. Choose what fits your rhythm. Billing and subscription shows your current plan. Right now, everyone has premium access until January 31st, 2026. Perfect timing to explore everything and see if GripIt fits your workflow. After the promotional period, you can subscribe to continue using premium features. All your data is preserved regardless of your plan. Data and privacy is crucial. Here you can create backups of your data. I highly recommend doing this regularly. Click Create Backup and download the file. It's in JSON format and contains everything. You can also export your data as CSV for analysis in spreadsheets, or import backup files if you're switching devices. Video tutorials. That's where you'll find all the videos like this one. If you ever need a refresher on any feature, come here and watch the relevant tutorial. Finally, feedback. Found a bug? Have a feature idea? Want to share general feedback? Click Send Feedback. You can choose the type: bug report, feature request, or general feedback. Fill in the details. Optionally, add your email if you want a response, and send it directly. This helps make GripIt better for everyone. And that's Settings. Take time to customize GripIt to match how you work: the right theme, the right review day, the right focus duration. These small choices create a tool that feels truly yours. Here's a special bonus. You can install GripIt as an app on both desktop and mobile. GripIt is a progressive web app, or PWA, which means it works like a native app without needing the App Store or Google Play. On desktop, look for the Install button in your browser's address bar. It usually looks like a download icon or a plus sign. Click it, and GripIt installs directly to your desktop. Now it opens in its own window, just like any other application. On mobile, iOS, or Android, open your browser menu and select Add to Home Screen. GripIt appears on your home screen alongside your other apps with full screen mode and no browser bars. It's fast, it's convenient, and it feels native. Try it. That concludes our complete tutorial series. You now know every major feature in GripIt. Start exploring, customize to your needs, and remember, Grippy is always here if you need help. Welcome to GripIt. Let's make your goals happen.